Hi Minasan, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Abed, Corinne, your Philly neighborhood nerd, and we are back with Community. This is episode 10 called Basic RV Repair and Palmistry. I think that's what it is, which I'm not quite sure what palmistry is. Is that like reading palms? In the thumbnail, it looks like Elroy's thing, so we're just gonna see what's going on in his life. In his RV's life. After that last episode with Matt Berry, I'm just like, I'm in good spirits, honestly. So it's just end on a high, y'all. End on a high with this great series and the movie, obviously, which will be coming out whenever. So we'll just jump in. So if you'd like to check out the full reaction to this episode, you can find it on my Patreon on the upper S-Class tier. They were about 3 weeks ahead. So, oh man, by the time that this comes out on YouTube, I think we'll be on the last episode on Patreon. Oh, snap. Done. It's almost done, y'all. And don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe, and follow me on my social media. And we can't do, what is this? What is this? What? And the dean's there?
You to wonder, whoa, how'd this crazy scenario come to be? And then it comes to black and the title comes up that says 3 weeks earlier.
Is it 3 weeks now? Have they been traveling for 3 weeks?
An RV winding through the mountain roads of Colorado with a 19-foot fiberglass hand tied to the roof.
Okay. And the dean's here. And is he, what is it called? Embroidering?
Telling you about living room, kitchen, and bedroom.
Ooh, I never thought about that. And your backyard is 4,900 miles long.
Beautiful.
It's the circumference of the earth. Because you have no home. Does anyone need water?
Thanks, Annie. I didn't realize that was a thing. Oh no. Are they gonna be stranded?
Darn it, I want to hijack this RV, but I'm foiled by its impenetrable post-2001 security measure.
And nobody else needs to know about this, understand?
But they're gonna, it's,
Are we out of gas?
Yes! It's on empty! It's on empty! It's invisible!
Oh my God!
There's no needle! It's gone! It's
but there's cars just like pulling over.
Freaking me out!
You should be freaking out. I've been driving for 25 years and I have never seen so little gas in my life!
Oh, then you haven't been on a road trip. We've cutting it close many a time. Is that gonna?
Hey, see? We turn panic into preparedness.
Yeah.
Now, if we do run out of gas,
Yeah.
guess who's got full charge of us?
But is there reception?
Stop touching your phones!
Oh shit. Oh shit. Pause. Okay. Okay, we're not. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. Do. So yeah, survival instincts right now. We'll see how that goes for the gang. We'll see. 3 weeks earlier. Okay, here we
All
go.
in favor? That solves the matter of the giant hand if there's no other business.
Yes, I'd like to move that we establish this moment as the opening for a flashback.
No, meeting adjourned.
I love Abed. It's gonna happen anyway. Thanks, Abed. Oh, that was it. Okay. Short flashback. Flag someone down.
I'm to check the battery.
Can you send someone or not? No, I can't hold.
They couldn't call like Leonard or I'm trying to think. Pop Magnitude.
Your RV is full of crazy ladies. Goodbye.
What?
Have any of you heard of Armed Forces Day? Because apparently it's today, and it's really boning.
Oh.
Just sitting in Memorial Day's shadow like a military Hanukkah.
Fitting that both war holidays have to fight each other over the same month.
Notable that the one we remember is the one with the theme of memory.
Say this way, if we offer them instruments,
Nobody reroutes parades.
Yeah.
we ride a Kennedy's parade.
Someone's called the CIA.
Shit.
Tell them the
Thank you, Britta. Thanks, Britta, for that.
Everyone blaming Frankie.
What?
She is the reason we are here. This is what happens when you make decisions outside the moment.
Whatever moment you
What are they talking about?
are gigantic and
Yeah.
I'm proud to remain outside until I die.
You will then. This is where logic gets.
Don't fight, guys.
What's this on? Somewhere in the backs of our heads, just in case, who we need first, Annie, right?
What?
Not a judgment stuff out.
What?
Crank.
I'd eat Britta first.
Latest idea is to put it on the quad with a plaque that says, "Give a hand to your brain. Give your brain a hand."
Yeah.
show?
Can we?
I thought you said you knew it wasn't a TV show.
Well, I mean, it could be.
Hey, man, I don't know. I didn't change my mind. Well, it's all about you saying it's a show because dumb. You're done. Go in the back and sit by yourself.
That's mean.
Again. Show. Is it show?
So now it's a show about this?
Abed, come back.
The batteries.
Ah.
Flooded. And so help me God.
Jeff.
There's two batteries. Primary and the secondary.
Thank you.
We overloaded the electrical system and killed the engine battery.
Yeah.
Now the secondary battery has maybe 3 or 4 hours of charge.
Jeff is being a dick.
And Jeff can explain that to us. So, you're our
Abed, we're all on your side, so if you're also on your side,
wait for a couple of hours and
The twist.
secondary battery only powers the cabin. And we've kept the lights off, and it goes without saying that we've all learned to stop charging our phones.
Who's not? Who's still charging their phone?
There's a cartoonish vampiric orgy of personal devices somewhere in the RV.
Yeah.
Sucking away our remaining battery.
Yeah, that's what it is. Oh, God.
Why
Why don't you just leave and let him do it? Is it right there in front of you? Is it fun? And a hairdryer. Okay.
There is a bright side to this. Most conventional weapons don't require it.
Elroy. He's so funny. I'm so glad he's a part of the show. I mean, they've had some great replacements in here, so I do miss Hickey though.
What would Arnold Schwarzenegger sound like if he was bit by Dracula? Oh my god, I fell for it. Being a jerk.
Oh my God, you guys. Haters.
Why do they call it elbow?
I want the flashback. I want the full.
Oh, that way the person who killed us the most will die the soonest. Which feels fair.
Yeah.
Right, Greta?
I apologize.
We
for
should
it,
just
Paul.
get to it.
Perhaps you recall earlier when it seemed as though we drove to a skunk patch.
Yeah, you're getting hot.
Yeah, you're
Yeah,
supposed
you're
to
gay.
I also thought that we were speeding because you kept seeing the same bird.
Don't poop your pants, Abed. He's.
All in favor?
We just keep doing the same thing.
Being a jerk.
His face. If we just get to this flashback, maybe it will save the day. Can I snuggle next to Jeff? If I was cold, I'd be right on Jeff's lap with his muscles.
I forget all.
Of course you do. Of course. We love the Dean. Deanie, Deanie, Dean.
Start with us already on the road, which means the end of Act 1 won't be us going on the trip, it'll have to be the disaster, which means something even worse has to happen in Act 2. I must make the decision right now that Act 1 is a flashback, so that the beginning of the story is now instead of then.
Okay. He's making sense. Oh, they're already. Meeting was adjourned. Shit.
Well, where's that commitment to spinelessness when we're all admitting we did stuff wrong?
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm a bad dean, okay?
Oh
No,
my
that's what you always do. That's not a real apology.
I know.
Jeff, I bet you-
God damn. I hate people like that too. No, I mean, I love the Dean, but people who just can't be accountable. Fuck off.
I'm not sorry.
Yeah.
It's Mom, Giant, and Elias. We're not selling it.
Such fast. Don't go outside. Don't go outside in the dark in the mountains with animals. This is a pretty cool hand. Okay. It's pretty outside. It's probably cold though. I can't handle the cold.
Or woodworking, if we remove one of the fingers. It's not right the job here. You get it. Don't you?
No, something bad's gonna happen.
You know what's important about the hand? No,
No.
I know what's important about the story, and I know we're structurally overdue for a disaster. Great. Figures the one person.
Is this gonna crush? Is
What the hell else are we supposed to do? Flashback with me.
And if there's no other business,
There's the business. Yeah, there's business. When we tie the hand to the roof, we'd like you to use extra thick straps. Extra thick straps.
what?
Extra thick straps.
did somebody just fall off the roof? That's a really stupid question, Annie. Obviously something fell off the roof. The question is what?
Is the Dean okay? Is he trapped? Is he under there?
We're so sorry. We love you.
Where is he?
Screw you! I'm gonna go run to the other side to see if he's locked that door too.
He probably never cuts my calls to announce them out loud. But I'm a verbal thinker. I'm not even sure I have an idea till I say it.
Yeah, I get that.
How ironic that is. No offense, Abed.
Yeah.
Possible.
Abed, you bonded with him. Talk to him. You're alone in the end zone. This ball is yours or yours.
We all need to listen to him. Flashback with him.
Sarcasm, but I didn't actually bond with him. I almost killed him. Contrived flashback technique has kept me from being invested in any of his actual story. I mean, what was it even? A bunch of people in an RV? Guys and Christopher Nolan it?
He's so funny. I freaking love Abed.
You can only flashback and be a hero.
Well, maybe that's what you need to do to be a hero. I'm about to sneeze, sorry.
This is a flashback, remember? The real story is happening in the future. You actually flashed back to now to help us.
Wait, yeah, that was pretty smart, honestly. Oh.
Space Elder Abed, can you reach backward with your mind and save our species?
Oh my god.
I'm Space Elder Britta.
No. No, you're not.
The time we spend in control of our world. The time we spend letting go of others. Ideas, stories,
Oh shit, Abed. Alright.
butters, buttered noodles. Grip one for too long and you lose so much that you never found.
That is poetry, honestly.
This giant hand was sent to all of us as an invitation to increase our mastery over the power to hold on and let go.
Okay, so are we gonna... They're not gonna throw it off the cliff, because one, that's littering, and two, that's a lot of money that they spent, right? Oh, there we go. There we go. Friendship. Where's Elroy? Did he get in? Okay, so how are we going to... How did they... Do we not get the full story? Is that Shane? Where the hell? Is he in a chicken coop? Keep a loose grip. Oh my god, okay.
It's been many hours since our scheduled appointment time. Again, it's Blake with the B, the purchaser of the giant hand.
For his giant watch. Makes sense. Who's this? And I know this guy. Is that the...
Almost Einstein, who disappeared, and it's all my fault.
What the fuck?
Because I gave him a giant kite.
Oh, damn. Oh.
Ready for a better daddy with a bigger head.
Oh, no. This is tragic.
I'm gonna walk this dog and eventually leave you.
Oh, no.
Watching the garage.
With all the other giant things. I want to know.
Stop showering.
Oh. That was it? That was a random one. Was not expecting that one to be as random as it was, honestly. But you know what? Just listen to Abed. Homeboy knows what he's doing. Is it Matt Besser? I could have sworn I knew him from something. Park and Rec. Okay, Reno 911. Maybe I saw him in there. I don't know. All these comedians that they get, like, it's so silly because, like, I do know who they are, but, like, I see them from... Okay, well, this was a fun, random-ish episode, you know. Sometimes it's important to have flashbacks. Sometimes it helps create a story. So thanks, Abed, again, for doing what you do. But this was a bit of a random one. But I'm glad they have a loose grip on things. Not too firm, not too loose. Just... I'm gonna stop. That's it. That's all I could say for this episode, honestly. But love the crew. Super sad we only have 3 episodes left. But it will be fine. But that's gonna be it. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next reaction. Bye.